All right, let's talk a little bit about this because there have been White House representatives out this week kind of taking a victory lap saying prices are down at the pump. That is surely the case, but I just wonder how concerned you should be about taking a victory lap yet. Most Wall Street analysts are anticipating that we will see higher energy prices. In fact, oil prices back above $100 a barrel at this point, anticipating higher prices all the way through the end of the year and beyond. If prices go back up, do you then have to take blame for the higher prices if you take a victory lap now?
Look, no one's out here saying mission accomplished. We just want to make sure that it's understood that the measures that the president and the administration have taken to help to reduce the price of oil seem to be having an effect. We all know that no administration, no policymaker, no president directly controls the price of gas or the price of oil, but there have been a number of measures that we think are helping. We're seeing gas get back below $4 in most states. That's encouraging. I have noticed that the price of oil is falling more quickly than the price of gas, which we continue to have questions about. But at the end of the day, this is an encouraging sign among a number of encouraging signs across our supply chains and our economic indicators, even if we recognize that we've still got a lot of challenges, from shock waves that continue to reverberate out from the colossal effect of the pandemic to destabilizing events like the unprovoked war against Ukraine by Russia, which is obviously now several months underway, but still something with profound economic and strategic implications.
One of the issues that the administration has kind of said this is helping things is the release of oil from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve. At what point do we run out of that oil? At what point does it need to be replenished?
Well, that was a measure to stabilize oil prices, and obviously that oil reserve gets built up over time when you have the opposite conditions, when you don't see the kind of pressures on supply and the kind of pressures on prices that we're living through right now. That's exactly why we have it, and I have a lot of regard for the decision-making that went into setting the level, which was unprecedented in how large the release was, but still allowing the U.S. to maintain its strategic position and reserves that are going to be needed for other situations. Obviously, a lot goes into the decision about when to buy back into it. The bottom line is the president saw a moment where action was going to be helpful, took that action, and it's one of the things that I believe has contributed to oil prices moving in a better direction since that choice.